In the heart of our homes, hidden dangers can lurk where we least expect them. Your septic tank, a vital part of your household, yet it could be a source of serious health risks. And your septic tank can make you sick. Inside every septic tank system, there are 3 types of bacteria. While aerobic bacteria are beneficial, breaking down waste efficiently, it's the anaerobic bacteria and fecal coliforms that pose a threat. These less efficient bacteria can be carriers of dangerous diseases. Recent studies have shown that these pathogens can contaminate groundwater and, in worst-case scenarios, flow back into our homes or gardens. The risk? Diseases that can seriously harm your family. Remember Swans Island, Maine in 2009? A malfunctioning septic tank system led to a tragic hepatitis A outbreak, affecting multiple households. But there's good news. A team of 14 top scientists from a prestigious U.S. university has developed a groundbreaking solution. Introducing Septifix, a tiny but powerful tab that neutralizes these dangerous pathogens, guarding your family, neighbors, and the environment. Easy to use and scientifically proven, Septifix is your first line of defense against septic tank-related illnesses. Don't wait for the unseen dangers to strike. Protect your home and loved ones today with Septifix. Now, the power to protect your home and your loved ones is just a click away. Don't leave your family's health to chance. A simple, effective solution is within your reach. Look for the pinned comment and the description below this video. There you'll find the link to Septifix. With Septifix, you're not just buying a product, you're ensuring peace of mind, safety, and health for everyone you care about. It's easy, it's effective, and it's a step towards a healthier home. Remember, the solution is just a click away. Check the pinned comment and the description now for more information, and take the first step towards safeguarding your home. Your family deserves the best protection.